looking at? Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes us here. Or more precisely, out here. We are in the parking lot of L.L.Bean. Walk around outside in Freeport, Maine, enjoy some of the free fresh air. This should be fun. Over here they've got the Nordica Theater. Never been there. And Johnny Rockets. Haven't been to a Johnny Rockets since I was in college. There's a guitar hanging in the window. Can't wait till this opens back up. It'll be really interesting to see what a day makes here after everything opens up. I mean, even for partial opening, it's not going to be like it's a complete opening. Not yet, anyways. Oh, look at these backpacks in the window. Lots of stores here that cater to folks who want to explore the great outdoors. Naturally, that's probably because of L.L.Bean's influence in the area. Oh, what's that over there? I think that it's a L.L.Bean car. Oh, it is. It's the Bean Boot. That is so cool. Haven't been taking it anywhere because there's no mud on the bumper. That is neat. If I remember correctly, I think these are the exemplary of the kind of boots that had like a lifetime guarantee. I don't think that they still have that, but you used to be able to bring these boots back. Not obviously not the car, but the boots that the car is modeled off of. You could bring the boot back and exchange it or get it fixed or repaired as part of a lifetime guarantee. I think they changed that recently, but I'm not 100% sure. The very popular Linda Bean's Kitchen. If you've eaten here before, let me know down in the comments below. What's the food like? And according to the sign there, you can take home live lobster. Coffee by Design is open with online and curbside orders. I've heard they have really good nitro cold brew. This is Wicked Whoopies. Whoopie pie is Maine's official treat. Have you ever had a whoopie pie before? This is another place I'd like to try, the Jameson Tavern. And right across from it is the Mangy Moose Emporium. A one-stop shop for t-shirts and touristy stuff. There's all kinds of neat little businesses here. I really kind of want to go into this store. British Goods. Good reminder for everybody. Keep calm and carry on. A lot of these places are going to be open to the public June 1st, which I think for me is tomorrow. This is Leapin' Lizards. It's like a pretty cool store. I'm a day early to be able to go into any of the stores. So by the time this video posts, everything should be open somewhat. A lot of these places should be open somewhat for business. Hope it's good for them. We need it. This is another place I'd like to go to. Sherman's Book and Stationery Store. I love a good bookstore. And downstairs you can get some sticky buns. Isabella's. I've never been to a lot of these places before. This place looks good too. Mediterranean Grill. Another place I want to check out. There's lots of little businesses off of the main strip here. Definitely go take a walking tour of Freeport. There's lots of things to see off of the off streets. This place has a tasting room. A tasting room for, I love all the vines on the side. A tasting room for olive oil and vinegar. I have had some of their stuff before and it is good. You wouldn't think that vinegar is something that you want to taste at a tasting bar, but it's really good stuff. They're infused with all kinds of different flavors. Garlic, a blueberry one. There's even a little outside seating area. So we're on the other side of L.L.Bean's. So there's the L.L.Bean store there, and then across the street you can pick up a lobster roll from L.L.Bean's, including some other items, some salads and soups. Lobster roll's okay. I'm not a big fan of lobster roll. I'll eat it. It's good stuff. But I will definitely take some of that famous blueberry pie for sure. There's also a Ben & Jerry's here because every day is good with a Ben & Jerry's. Here's another shot of the boot outside the main entrance. It's big. I'm going to go stand up next to it so you guys can see how big this boot is. Right, I'm next to the boot. I guess that's probably the best angle to take a video of it. I'd hate to meet the guy who wears these. Right next to the L.L.Bean, you can stop at the 1912 Cafe. I don't see their menu posted anywhere. Looks like they specialize in soups and salads and sandwiches. I sure would like one of these. Now that summer's here, definitely plan on getting into the water and doing some kayaking. I have a couple of ideas in mind. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Over at the curbside pickup, they have moose antler chandeliers. It's pretty rad. Definitely if you're coming to shop, Maine, L.L.Bean and Freeport is where you want to go. And I just noticed, I wish I could go inside and show you, but they have all kinds of fishing rods up there. Hopefully soon. There he is, Mr. Bean himself. Leon Wood Bean. I never knew that that's what the LL stood for. I would shake your hand, Mr. Bean, but you don't have any. Also, it seems really weird calling you Mr. Bean. It makes me think of Rowan Atkinson, and you look nothing like him. He looks lost in thought. What's he looking at, I wonder? I thought at first maybe he was looking at the Ben & Jerry's, but the Ben & Jerry's is over there. He's just looking at the parking lot. Well, that's going to wrap it up for another video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?